Hi, I'm Natalie, founder and CEO of Caribbean Connector, connecting us through culture, community, and commerce. It's reflection time. Today, we're focusing on one part of the positive side of ego. Take a deep breath in, hold for a moment, and let it go. Ego says, I am somebody. I belong. And it's true. Your name, your story, and your culture matters. Awareness adds, you belong not only because of form, but because of your humanity. Breathe. Celebrate identity while remembering connection. Sending you positive vibrations and one love.